Hi, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. And today I will discuss regarding the pop up scam which freezes your system. Like, for example, if you are using Edge, Microsoft Edge, so the pop up will come on this Microsoft Edge, and there will be no way for you to block the pop up. The pop up will be like this: Microsoft pop-up scam. So you will see things like this on your screen, and the screen will be freezed completely. And in this case, you will not be able to do anything at all. So what we need to do, first of all, like, your mouse will be frozen and you will not be able to operate with the keyboard. So what we have to do in this case, so we need to do a hard shutdown. So you need to press and hold the power key. If you are using a laptop, on the upper top right hand side, normally we have the power key. Press and hold it for 30 seconds and it will turn off. System will turn off, then wait for some time. Same goes for the desktop. Press and hold the power key for 30 seconds and it will turn off completely. Now when you turn your system back on, you don't need to open Edge. Again, you don't need to open Microsoft Edge. What we will be doing, we will be clicking on this magnifying glass, and then we will go to settings. So in settings, we need to go to apps, this, then apps and feature. Over here we will look for Microsoft Edge. So here you see Microsoft Edge. So from here you can do the repair of the Microsoft Edge. So now it has been repaired. So if you have any bugs or pop-up like still in Microsoft Edge, it will be cleared. And after this you can open up Microsoft Edge normally. But as in every video, I request you to have multiple browser. So you can write down the name of the browser. So you can install Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and even Waterfox. So these are the three browsers. So this is how you can clean up the Edge and you can work on your system. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.